High flow rates. Designed to provide exceptional flow rates and a consistent flow of oil to your engine. Versatile compatibility. Designed to operate with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils. Protect your engine. Pleated synthetic blend filtration media removes most harmful contaminants. Extensively tested. Laboratory tested to ensure excellent capacity and burst strength. Easy to remove. Fast and easy wrench-off removal. Heavy-duty construction. Heavy-duty canister for outstanding durability. No hassle warranty. 1-year limited warranty. High capacity. Withstand the longer service intervals now recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Top reviews from the United States. Go for the PS line of KN oil filters. I have tried the other lower-tier KN filters and mostly they work fine. I have had one come out distorted or looked like the pleats were wrung out. However, I have never had a failure or oddity while using the PS line. It's a few bucks more and it is worth it. Also, this filter does fit a 2005 Chevy Malibu 2.2L engine.